The Philippines is home to multiple cultures and traditions that have drawn international interest. Stretching 173 kilometers on the west coast of Luzon Island, fronting the South China Sea, Zambales is the second largest province of Central Luzon, and some of the most beautiful places you can visit here are located in Botolan, Zambales, where you will be able to discover, witness, and experience the beauty and treasures of the Philippines. Yours to discover is a slogan currently being used by Camp Kainamayan and the local tourism department of Botolan, Zambales. It focuses on ecotourism, highlighting Tukal-Tukal Falls and Mount Pinatubo crater between the mountain ranges of Zambales, Pampanga, and Tarlac in central Luzon. Camp Kainamayan offers tours where you will be able to visit 3 tourist spots. Soak in the colors of the sunset while lazing in the floating cottages, kayaking, bamboo rafting, riding a speedboat, or parasailing. The Mount Pinatubo Crater Adventure. Experience the thrill of a 2-hour riverbed ride on 4x4 wheels and 45-minute trek across a rock and sandscape carved by Mount Pinatubo. Come into contact with the indigenous Aira community and behold the grandeur famed volcano. The Tukal-Tukal Falls Adventure. Enjoy the picturesque scenery, plant a tree, swim in the cold pools formed by the 4-level waterfalls, and fall in love with nature. The arduous trek to the Tukal-Tukal Falls can be an adventure in itself, rewarded at the end with the sublime feeling of being one with the majesty of nature. Camp Kainamayan also offers recreational activities, an adventure that Camp Kainamayan offers for those who seek ultimate thrill. Feel the rush in the air and fly under the skyline of Botolan, Zambales. Experience the challenge of heights and push your adrenaline at CK wall climbing and rappelling. Enjoy your stay at Camp Kainamayan with horseback riding, cover, shoot, and win. An adventure that introduces camaraderie, tactics, and thrill. Unite and strengthen your teamwork via team-building activities for big and small groups is possible at Camp Kainamayan Obstacle Course. Soak in the clear and clean water of Camp Kainamayan Pool with friends, family, and co-workers. There is also the Lecato restaurant, which offers scrumptious cuisines and suits your taste. You can also visit the chapel, the fountain, and go glamping. The Botolan Wildlife Farm offers a great opportunity to be close to nature. It is a family-run private wild farm sanctuary and also serves as a national quarantine, rescue, and rehabilitation center for animals and birds in the province of Zambales. The Botolan Wildlife Sanctuary is a must-visit for tourists and students alike. At syempre, hindi mawawala ang mga pinakamamahal naming mga simbahan. Make sure to visit Inapoong Bato Catholic Church and Santa Monica Parish Church, for both hold a lot of history. Enjoy your stay in Botolan, Zambales with Botolan Beach Resorts and Accommodations.